when there are different programming languages are available, correct? So why we are going ahead with the R language? Because this is a programming language which is open source. Okay, that is the first and most uh, considerable thing in case of the R that we can say. Okay, so this particular programming language is just like the other languages, that may be C, C++, or the Python, Java, and the other. Uh, this language will have its software environment also, which is used for this language mainly used for the statistical analysis, graphical representation, and the reporting of the data. When we'll go ahead with this language after completing its basis, we'll try to understand to create the different pie charts, then bar plots, and then tree diagrams by using this, so that you will understand like why this language is better. Why we call this language as R? As this language was created by Ross Ihaka and Robert Gentleman at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. So, by their name of initials, Ross and Robert, they named this language as R language. And this language is currently being developed by the R development core team. And as it is freeware, the users, those who understand the language, they can also contribute to this language. This language is freely available under the general public license. Pre-compiled binary versions are provided for various operating systems like Linux, Windows, and Mac. If you are running a Window, or if you are having a Apple and you are running Mac, or if you are going ahead with the open source Linux, in that case, this language uh, you can use. There are no issues with any of the operating system. Um, the core of an R is interpreted computer language, which allows the branching and the looping, as well as the modular programming using the functions. And this language allows the integration with the C, C++, .NET, Python, or the Fortran. So that's why this language is mostly used, okay, or widely used language in case of the data science or the artificial intelligence or the machine learning use. Uh, the features of the R are like that. This language is well developed, simple, and the effective programming language. There are very simple syntax when you will see. As compared to the other language, the syntax of this language is very simple. Okay, and this language includes the conditions, loops, the user-defined functions, and input-output facilities, which are generally there in the other languages also. Like you must have studied about the C, C++. So in that case also, the conditions, loops, and the user-defined functions, so you must have used there also. So we will try to understand like those conditions, those loops, which you have understood in Python or in the C, how it can be implemented in R also. Okay, because whenever you are going ahead with any kind of language, the logic is not going to change. Only the writing the program, it will be different because it is syntax dependent, and that syntax will be defined by the producers, those who have created this particular language. This language has the effective data handling and the storage facility. It provides a suite of operators for calculations on arrays, list, vectors, and the matrices. Okay, whether you are dealing with array, list, vector, matrices, this language effectively performs those operations and provides you the output. It is a large, coherent, and integrated collection of the tools for the data analysis. The data you want to analyze by using the data frame or by using the other functions, that is easily possible by using R. This language provides the graphical facilities for the data analysis and the display. Like you want to display the data in pie chart or the bar chart or the histogram or the line chart or the double line chart or the point chart. So that all facilities are available with this. So we will try to understand how this language can be used at your platform level. Okay. So whenever we start with any kind of language, we start with writing the program that is the hello world. Okay. So depending on the needs, you can program either at R command prompt or you can use the R script file. So for that, what you have to do, that I will show. There are few things that one can try. So let's go ahead with one by one.